A Walters Mainline. Five unit, rebuilt 40 well car, Santa Fe, number 1059. Quintessential Hobbies. So let's unbox this. There you go. For spare part request. Walters. That's what we have. Let's pull out the main one. Metal wheels. Looks like KD couplers on there. I used to ride this car over here. Not this one here, but the real one. Now placement of numbers should have been a little bit better. 1059. Oh, very nice. Metal car, not plastic. That's why the price of the set was $188. That will be a very nice add-on to my collection. Fits in really nice. I'll take a better look at this. The detail is nice. Yeah, very nice for a metal car. They're all in very, very very nice. I also received this from Central Hobbies, given to me at a very, very good price. Empty containers, the door is open on them too as well, which is nice. I got the whole bag for $20. It's really nice. All the doors open on the container cars. Oh, tanker cars. This little tanker. Really nice condition. Like brand new. Very well packaged. Really beautiful condition. Very nice. I like the metal aspect. Yes, I know they don't belong in there. There you go. Very nice. Ooh, that'll look nice. Yeah, that'll look really nice. Look forward to adding it to my train set, my little train collection. Very nice. In all Canadian metal, they're out of metal, 188, including tax. The set of rolling the box cars, not box cars, but the containers and the tankers set me back $20, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pieces, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tankers. Walters. Very, very, very nice. Well done. Very well done. I'm pretty much retired from riding, so I'll start putting away my my money, and I'll start buying a little bit at a time. I'll start buying rolling stock, a bit of G-scale, because I do like G-scale, and HO. Yeah, it looks really, really good. Walters. Cool. Very cool. Ciao for now.